another episode of Shade TV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today is all about Supreme. I am so sorry to all my Supreme followers out there. I have not meant to neglect all of you, and I have definitely not forgotten about you. I have just been so busy and I've been traveling, so it's been a little difficult with keeping up with each Supreme week drop. So I have kind of compiled everything that I picked up in the past few weeks into one. So I'm going to go through all of those items. Pretty stoked. I haven't gone too crazy with the pickups, but definitely got some good things, I think. So for those of you who are joining us for the first time today, thank you so much for tuning in. Hit that subscribe if you have not already. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for all of our amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. So let's jump right into it. I was really fired up about this Supreme deck, and that being said is because it is actually a box logo deck. So really cool deck. I know it's very simple, but I'm obsessed with the fact that it is truly that box logo, but in deck form. So we have the red and Supreme on the back with the classic colors. Looks like we do have a Supreme sticker inside there, but it does say world famous and Supreme down on the bottom there in white. All right, and this was $58 for those of you wondering. All right, next up, obviously some of you probably saw my reels on Instagram, but I did get the Supreme chapstick. This actually was my favorite chapstick growing up. I'm not sure if it actually worked or not, but it smells good. I love this. So Supreme cherry chapstick. Can't have enough chapstick, especially as it's still cold and dry, but we've got the Chapstick cherry logo, which is the original logo here, but then the Supreme on the other side there, and it does come in a pack of 3. Probably the most expensive chapstick I think I've ever paid for, but you know, hey, when it's Supreme, why not? All right, so next up, I was able to pick up a couple t-shirts. I actually have not even opened these up. So first is the Ralph Stedman box tee logo. Let's take a look. This was $44, and let's see what it looks like. So there is our box logo, some like splattered blood there. Can't say that you can see the Supreme, but it is a box logo, and it is red. We've got some, looks like hues of blue as well, like a little spray paint. And then on the back, we do have the signature for Ralph Stedman at the very bottom there. So nice little tiny detail. And I got this in the gray colorway, which I think looks great actually with the red splattered mark. All right, so let's open up the rest of the tees, see what else I got here. Next up is, oh yeah, this is a size small. All right, let me just double check. Yeah, so all my t-shirts I got were in a size small. For those of you wondering the size and fit. But next up, we've got a white t-shirt, and this is the person tee. All right, so let's take a look at this. Ah, okay, kind of cool. Got like that third eye dragon on the front there, some flames with the Supreme. And then we've got that cool detailing on the back. Is a person who can take the place of all others, but whose place no one else can take. Really like that saying actually, and it's really dope writing on the back as well, so I do love that. We've got Supreme 2022 on the back there, and just a cool logo on the front, and I got this in white. All right, and last but not least, let's see what the last tee that we have here is. This is the Still Talking tee, so I really just like what this says on the front, not gonna lie. Still Talking Supreme New York. Right there. And then we've got the Supreme Platinum Records on the back, and this is in the black colorway, but I don't know. I love this. It's simple, nothing too crazy about it. Love what it says on the front, and I feel like the white really just pops off of that black color scheme. And again, this is size small, and this was $40. Now, moving on to this week, we finally made it. My goodness. I feel like I've been so behind with Supreme, but here we are. Kraft macaroni and cheese. Who does not like some Kraft macaroni and cheese? My God, I'm obsessed. I was obsessed with this. I used to get so pissed off when my mom would make me Velveeta, the little shell Velveeta. I'm like, really? This is terrible compared to Kraft. But we've got the dinosaur rocking the Supreme logo there. And he's on the front and back. Supreme limited edition shapes too. So we're gonna have Supreme macaroni shapes in here, actually. Yeah, I'm excited to cook this. Maybe we'll do a little real video of me cooking some mac and cheese. All right, and last up are the Supreme markers. These looked so dope. I had to have them. So let me just show you the front there. Really cool box it comes with. And then look at how these have all been pre-packaged. How cool is that? So why don't we take out a notepad or something? Let's draw with these bad boys. Let's see how this works. What color should we go with? Maybe black, because that'll probably show the best. Let's open her up. These were $50 markers, so these better be good. Magic ink. I feel like this is probably like the most, I don't even know if I'm supposed to shake it. I'm just shaking it, but this is what it says. Magic ink, and it's got Supreme kind of wrapped around that with a question mark. And then let's see how we open. Oh, okay. All right. Let's see how it writes here. Oh, wow. That is let me tell you, that's a quality marker. My goodness. Definitely worth at least $10, this marker. That is, ooh, whew, chemicals, man. That is real. Not bad, right? I'm not hating. I really like this. This is something that's definitely gonna stain. So don't get this on yourself. I'm not sure that these are waterproof. I think these are definitely permanent, but those are some quality markers. Excited to put those to use at some point in time. All right, everyone. Wow, that scent is just, it's lingering. It's in the air. The chemicals, I can feel them just lifting, or not lifting, just staying in front of my nose. That's it, everybody, for my pickups for the past couple weeks with Supreme. I hope all of you have had some luck with your pickups. I know I haven't been doing drop list or lookbooks the day of, just because I haven't been home to do them, but here I am. Compilation of everything. Hope that you all enjoyed the pickups that I was able to snag these past couple of weeks. Definitely hit me in my comments down below and let me know if you were able to pick up anything. What have been some of your favorite pickups the past few weeks, or what was your favorite out of the pickups that I snagged? All right, everyone, if you are new here today, thank you for joining us. Hit that subscribe if you have not already. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, leave those down below. Hit that notification box. We do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for amazing membership perks, as well as our merch store. This is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We will catch you on the next one.